Hi, welcome back to Happy Yarny. It's so good to have you here. Today we're going to crochet this gingham placemat together. It's super simple. We'll only be using double crochet stitches. You can easily adjust this to any size you want. In this video, I'm going to try using fine chenille yarn, but you can definitely use cotton yarn instead. It'll give the placemat a much better structure and hold its shape beautifully. To start, we'll begin with 54 chain stitches. If you want a larger size, just crochet more chains. Turn, skip the first 2 chains, and work into the 3rd chain from the hook. Make 4 double crochet stitches. On the 4th double crochet, leave the stitch incomplete and switch to the new color. Make another 4 double crochet stitches with this color. Make sure to crochet over the green yarn as well, so it stays hidden. Then switch back to the original color just like before, and make 4 more double crochets. Repeat this pattern until the end of the row. Chain 2 to start the next row. Turn your work and make 4 double crochet stitches, just like the previous row. Chain 2 to start the next row, and switch to the lighter yarn color. Make another 4 double crochet stitches with this color. Then switch back to the white yarn. Make 4 double crochet stitches and repeat until the end of the round. This plaid pattern works in a 2-row repeat. For every 2 rows, we will use the same color combination. Then, we will switch the colors for the next 2 rows, and just keep repeating this process. Just crochet until you reach your desired width. For this one, I'm crocheting about 9 squares. Now you can cut the other yarn strands, but leave one color attached to crochet the single crochet border around. Crochet single crochet stitches all the way around the border as you like. Next, use the white yarn for the border. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and make 6 double dot crochets into the 3rd stitch. Skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Again, skip 2 stitches and make 6 double crochets into the 3rd stitch. Just keep repeating this until the end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.